CEO and founder of Shlokas Agro Private Limited from Pune, Maharashtra. I am the first importer in India import the Mexican hash avocado plants from Mexico, and till now we have the largest nursery in Pune. We supply the quality planting material with all technical support with marketing linkages. Avocado is the golden crop for the future. Recent days in India there is a people have eating so many nutritious fruit. After Corona, avocados, blueberry, macadamia are tremendously customers are demanding. So demand these plants plantation demand is increasing rapidly. India last 100 years avocado is grown in Uti, Kodaikanal and other areas. But these are the local varieties. The hash variety is the international variety, and all world 100%, 96% growing variety is the hash variety. But this hash variety is not found in India. So we will be plan to make import from the Mexico, because farmers will be planting local varieties and output from the local varieties is 250 rupees kg and hash demand is 500 rupees kg. So we have target to get the maximum income to the farmers. We make the plan and import the planting material. Avocado's scientific name is Persea americana, and this is the origin of the Mexico and Guatemala and Columbus. This is the local called the butter fruit, because all fruit have the butter, so this is called the butter fruit there. Avocado's production, the Mexico is the original of avocado, and world largest production. There is 80 lakh tons production of the avocado only in the Mexico. After Mexico, there is the Peru, Chile, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, and African countries. Last 10 years, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, South Africa have production largest avocado there. India is not in this rank. 1% production is not produced in India now, and there is big opportunity in India to the plantation and production. Because 2000 there is import of 10 tons hash avocados, and there is not a demand. After 4 years, last 6 months, there is import of 10 lakh tons, 10,000 tons of avocados, hash avocados. So demand is increasing. Farmers have big opportunity to plantation of this plant. It was 100 years back. It was introduced by Portuguese and French and other peoples, and they have brought some seeds. So in India now, Kodaikanal, Coorg, Wayanad have available of the local plantations there. But this is not technically propagation and not the quality orchards maintained there. Health benefits. There is lot of health benefits of the avocados. There is 40 contents, vitamins, proteins, fiber. So this fruit is called the superfood. This fruit is the medicinal fruit, and in India there is so many problems. 50% people have problems, their heart attack, blood pressure. Only avocado is the fruit that control all this. So eating of avocado per day is very necessary. There are so many recipes there. Avocado cake, avocado fries, avocado oil. So many products. Anyone part is not wasted of these. Seeds have so much demand there. Last month I have visited one scientist of IHR. He have developed the avocado seeds have converted into the cocoa powder, that is 100% replaced. Avocado seeds will be used for the chocolate making. So there is value addition is also important. Avocado oil is great demand. Oil is edible oil, and demand is increasing day by day. So there is so many value additions. So if more production, there is value addition, there is continuously demand in this plant. There is cream, so many products is available in the market. This is the vitamins content. All these contents, 40 contents, all are available in this avocado. This is climatic requirement. Climatic requirement is very important for this crop. So red soil is the best soil for the growing of this. This Kurg area is the best location of climatic and soil conditions available. The pH required is 5.5 to the 6 is essential for the commercial avocado growing. And 1 acre we will be suggest the 300 plants. Plant to plant distance is 10 foot and row to row distance is the 15 foot. So 300 plants will be put in the red soil. This plant has some problem with the Phytophthora disease. So we will be suggest the farmer to plantation of raised bed, not in a pits making. Climatical situation 35 degrees Celsius is good climate, maximum climate, and 6 to 7 degrees Celsius is the minimum climate required for the avocado growing. And this Karnataka, South Karnataka area is best climate available. And also where temperature rises 1 month, there is no problem of the avocado growing, hash avocado growing. We will be put some net or put some green manure in 1 or 2 months or maintain the humidity with the sprinkler system. Some people saying the avocado is the hash variety is not growing in the temperature, but last 3 years we have plantation in different location and in Maharashtra, Aurangabad locations we have planted 10 acre of the avocado plants in one my farmer. 48 degrees Celsius was the highest temperature and we will be harvest the international quality of the fruits like 250 gram of the fruits last month in this farm. So hash variety is very necessary for the farmers for the growing this because farmers will be getting income from the only the hash variety, not the other variety. These are cultivation practices. There is grafting methods will be mainly used for the propagation. Bee grafting is good for that, and in foreign countries, clonal grafting is also done. The clonal grafting result is very good for the production. I have visited the South Africa, and I have seen the 3-year-old plantation of the bee grafting and 2-year plantation of the clonal grafting. So clonal grafting plants have very good growth and nice protein there. And some tissue cultures have coming the research on that. Next 2-3 years, avocado plants will be coming market with the tissue culture also there. There is a great demand for the plants. So plantation, land preparation is very important for that. For the land preparation, we have cleaning up all the plot. Then we will be make the raised bed 2 feet height and 3 feet width. Then we will be put the plant in the on the top of the raised bed. Raised bed is very necessary. I was saying that the Phytophthora is a major problem for that. So water will be leach out. So plantation on the raised bed is very necessary. Farmers have or some people have not known about. They will be purchase the plant and put in the pits. Then water will be stagnant there and Phytophthora problem is coming and plant will be died. So every time you will be plantation of avocado put on the raised bed is very necessary. And after that you will be put the drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation is very necessary. In summer when the temperatures will be rises, the sprinkler irrigation will be work on for the humidity maintenance. The grafting system, this is the veneer grafting. Training and pruning is important. For first year, after every 2 months or 3 months, you will be prune the plants. And we have the taking target to a development of 150 branches in only 2.5 years. So making the plant structure, making the plant bushy is very important for getting the lot of fruits. So training is very important in avocado. Irrigation system I have told in the base you will be put the drip line and if you will be put the sprinkler line, this is very good for the result of that. So flower type, there is avocado is a very different flower type. This is only one flower, male part and female part is also coming in the one flower there system. The hash is a self-pollinated, but for the getting more fruit set, we will be suggest the farmer to put the 5% of the B type variety. So in avocado there are A type and B type varieties. A type varieties are the commercial varieties. B-type varieties also produce the fruits, but good pollination, B-type, 5% of the fruit in B-type variety is very necessary. Interculture practices is very important because avocado's roots are the fibrous root system. So putting up the more FYM, neem cake, vermicompost, so organic matter dropping is very essential. And every 2-3 months you will be soil aeration is very important. Avocado variety, the major races are the 3 races. There are Mexican race, Guatemalan race, and the West Indian races. These are 3 the main origin of the avocado there. And after 3 races, there are so many varieties available in the market. This Chase 1 is variety, or horticulture department will be produced. This Forte variety is a B-type variety. This is used for the pollinator for the hash variety. That TDK1 is also our government variety, is good variety. This Lula variety is a new variety, but not till this is the patented variety, not coming till in India. These are other varieties. This Polak hash, this hash cultivar is originated as the Guatemalan, and fruits are round shape, medium size, and purple. This important hash variety is important that 20% is oil content in this hash variety. Our local varieties have only the 8% of the oil content. This 20% oil content make this variety as a special premium variety, and also the hash variety has a flavor, good nutty structure, nutty flavor, and pulp is very compact. So hash variety has become the premium variety. These are some ripening stages pictures there. People not know which type of the fruits will be eating. They took from the mall, they took the green fruit and they make the milkshake and other product, but not get quality, and they will be upset. So which type of the fruits we will be purchased in the market? This is the green stage, and you will be take this ripe fruit. This third stage ripe black color skin is the hash avocado premier quality there. So you will be purchased this ripe stage there. Third step is important. This fruit harvesting system in the Mexico, this is picture. These are other varieties, hash, Pinkerton, lamb hash, Pinkerton. This is so many varieties there. And these are some commercial breeds you are seeing, the Pinkerton, lamb hash, and these downside Forte, Bacon, Jutano, these are the B-type varieties. So grading and packaging is very important in this avocado. This is Torres system. The hash variety have the typical characters there. In July, this is the fruit will be converted the first stage into second stage. This is the ripening stage. And after that, if you will be not harvested the fruit and keep this fruit on the tree, 3 to 4 months fruits will be keeping on the tree and not ripen and not fall down. This is the special character of the avocado, hash variety. Market is easy available. Till now, the India is importing last 6 months 10,000 tons avocado will be imported, and farmers India have big demand to these fruits. Fruits are not locally available. There are so many buyers, but fruit not getting the locally. So local production is very important. This is crop protection. There are mealybugs, anthracnose. These are the minor diseases, but major problem is the Phytophthora. This is the fungus. So the fungus will be growing on the root side. These roots are susceptible for the fungus. So you can every time you can prevent the fungus growing, more water stagnant, and keep the plant away from the more water. This is important for the plant growing there. This is the quality and weight sizes are there different. This is root rot. I am saying the Phytophthora. This is the root rot problem there. These are some diseases, grey pulp, pulp spot, but till these are issues coming later. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.